If your Cubase project folders have become huge, here's how you can reduce their size without losing any relevant project data. I've sorted my Finder window by folder size, and I can see that some projects are taking up a lot of space. If you want to do the same, go to View, Show View Options and check Calculate All Sizes on a Mac. Now that I've identified the largest folders, here's how to reduce their size. Open the project and press Command P to open the Pool window. Inside the audio folder, you'll find a lot of recorded files that you might not need anymore. This happens, for example, when you record a sound 10 times, but only keep one version. The other 9 takes remain on your hard drive. Right-click on the audio folder, select Remove Unused Media and move those files to the trash. Then right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash to permanently delete the files from your hard drive. Now when we check the project folder size again, it's down to 700 megabytes. Previously it was around 1.2 gigabytes. That means we freed up 500 megabytes of space, which is a pretty good improvement. Every file that's actively used in your project will remain untouched. Just keep in mind that once you erase those files in the trash, you won't be able to recover them. So make sure you really don't need them anymore. Here, I'm repeating the process with another project and managed to free up around 700 megabytes. Not bad at all.